Hi everyone, I'm Eva from Qingdao Enjoy Farming Machinery. Today we come to our factory. Let me show you around the factory. Let's go. This is our showroom. Let me introduce some details for you. The feeder can adjust and can be customized. The gestation crate. Material is hot dip galvanized. And this material is also hot dip galvanized. And the length is 2.3 meters. The width is 0.65 meters. This is farrowing crate. And we can see some details. The feeder can be customized. The piglet anti-pressure rail can be adjusted. This is the sow anti-pressure rail. When the sow stand up or lie down, this can avoid the sow press the piglets. We can see the sow floor is relatively high. The special design makes it easier for piglets to breastfeed. The rear door can also be fully opened. Both the front and back doors can be opened. This is stainless steel feeder trough. We can take a look inside the trough. The material of the fence is hot dip galvanized. It is the best quality. This is accessories. Now we go to our worker shop. This is our automatic laser cutting machine. The length of the steel pipe cut by the automatic cutter will be accurate and the surface will be more uniform. This is the control screen of the automatic cutting machine. This is our automatic bending machine. These bent steel pipes are formed in one pass. This is 3D robot automatic machine. This is produced on this machine. You can see the hole is accurate and beautiful. This is our warehouse. You can see. That is the hopper. Let us see the detail. The hopper is stainless steel SS304, durable and anti-rust. This is feeding trough. The material is SS304. And use of fatten and gestation crate. This is plastic processing workshop. We can see this is raw material, polypropylene also called PP, from Sinopec. This is injection molding machine. Customers are visiting our factory. This is the plastic pig floor using second raw material. You can check the quality. Very durable and anti-corrosion. The machines are injection molding machines. Let's take a look of our modern pig farm design. The first layer is actually stainless steel mesh can anti-burden, ready to get inside the house. The second layer is like this. This can be filtered dust entering the house. You can see this is the third layer, which can further filter the air. This is the fourth layer. This ensures that all the air entering the house without germs. This is cooling pad. You can see, in hot season turn on the cooling pads can cool down inside. Let's go inside to take a look. The top is the fan. The air flows through the cooling pad, then push out in the roof. This is gestation crate. This is auxiliary ventilation. When in use, there will be a hole here for precise ventilation. This is farrowing crate. Can be customized according to your needs. The fan can send cold air to both sides through pipes. This is nursery crate. This size can be customized. We can see the structure of fans and pipes. This is fattening crate. This is stainless steel feeder trolley. Very smooth and beautiful. This is most popular dry and wet pig feeder. The pan is stainless steel SS304, and the hopper material is PP. Let us see the details. The frame is very stable.
Do you like this kind of pig raising equipment? Please contact Lin Wang.